Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Today, we're tackling a quick and easy maintenance task, replacing your Honda CRV's engine air filter. This simple job can improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. You'll only need a few basic items: a new air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store, and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket. Let's get started and save some money, keeping your engine running smoothly. First, open your hood and secure it safely. Now, look for the large, rectangular plastic air filter box, usually found on the driver's side of your engine compartment. You'll see 4 bolts or clips holding the top cover down. Use your Phillips head screwdriver or 8mm socket to loosen these fasteners. Remember, the bolts often stay attached to the cover, so just loosen them until the cover is free to lift. With the cover lifted, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to notice how it was oriented, as the new one needs to go in the same way. You might see some leaves or debris inside the airbox. Now is a good time to wipe it clean with a soft cloth or use a small vacuum. Then, gently place your brand new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and secure. Now, carefully lower the airbox cover back down, making sure it aligns perfectly with the base. Tighten the 4 bolts or re-engage the clips until they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the plastic. Give the cover a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. You've successfully changed your air filter. Remember to replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.